In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make presentation like this one by easy steps. Firstly, insert a rectangle shape. Now, change the shape so the corners become round. After that, add a different shape. Now fragment both shapes. Delete the upper portion of the shape. Now, pick any color you like. Now pick both shapes and choose Union. Make a second copy and change them as needed. Now, pick all the shapes and select Union. Now, add another shape to fill the background. Now combine them. Pick any color for the background. On a new slide, put a minus sign and arrange it the way you want. Now, make a copy and put it on the shape. Next, add a different colored shape. Now, move it to the back. Do the same thing for the other shapes. Now, duplicate the slide and adjust both slides like this one. After that, add any text here. At the end pick both slides and use the morph transition. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.